You're not unlucky. You're not still figuring it out. You're just choosing average every damn day and calling it progress. Let's cut the crap. You scroll more than you act. You talk more than you execute. You dream big, but your habits? Trash. You want an above-average life with below-average discipline. That's not ambition. That's delusion. Here's the truth. Nobody's gonna hand you the life you think you deserve. Not your boss. Not your parents. Not the universe. And while you're waiting for a sign, someone else with less talent and more grit is outworking you and winning. You want to know why you're still stuck? Because you keep hitting snooze on your potential. Because comfort is your god and fear runs your schedule. Let's be real. You're not confused. You're not burnt out. You're just comfortable being average because it's easier than growing. You think you'll level up when life slows down? Newsflash, life's not gonna slow down, ever. You will either rise or rot in place. So here's your shift. Start trading dopamine for discipline. Replace "I'll do it later" with "I'll do it scared, I'll do it tired, I'll do it anyway." Because the only thing standing between you and greatness is your tolerance for average. You stay average because you keep choosing average. So either wake the fuck up or stay exactly where you are, forever. If that slapped you awake, good. Now do something about it. Like the video if you're done making excuses. Comment if this called you out. Subscribe if you want more truth that actually pushes you forward. Let comfort keep you stuck, or let the truth set you on fire. Your call.